Hey everyone, this is Kelly. Today's topic is about how to make money by doing less. Now that sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But just to clarify, what we're really exploring here is the concept of leverage. Now there's a lot of information that I want to cover on this topic of leverage that I think will be really helpful. So what I've done is I've broken it into bite-sized pieces, a little mini series of 4 videos, which this is video 1. So, leverage. The broad definition of the word leverage simply means the ability to do more with less. So what we're going to do is investigate leverage and why its power can help you in the world of online business. But first, why the internet and can you really make money out of thin air? Now, apart from brick and mortar businesses, there are 3 entrepreneurial business models known as wealth strategies. They are investing in the stock market, investing in property, and investing in online business. Now, all 3 strategies require education and training. So why online business as opposed to stock market or property? Let's look at investing in the stock market first. I've been recently talking to a couple who have some experience in investing in the stock market, and they had some really interesting insights. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to call them Brett and Anne. Brett identified himself as a fear-based trader. Now, what that means is he had a fear of placing a trade on the stock market because of the possible loss that could come as a result. Anne, on the other hand, she loved the experience. She loved putting herself up against the market and found that she was actually pretty good at it. What she found, however, was that it was really time-consuming. It was like having another job. And the other downside was that you almost have to be like a robot. You have to take all emotion out of your choices, and that is really hard to do. And you need a large amount of cash to invest. As for property, you need good credit history, access to funding, steady income, and a huge appetite for risk. You also need a lot of patience because it's a long-term wealth strategy. Therefore, making an online business is the best strategy in my opinion, because you don't need an amazing idea for a product or service. You can sell other people's products for as high a commission as 50%, sometimes more for some products. Or you could sell services. So you don't even need to sell products, you can sell other people's services. Or you could make your own products and you can reap 100% of the profits. And then when the product is doing well, you can get other people to sell it for you for a commission. The tools required to set up an online business are really simple. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Now it helps if you know how to type, read and write an email, know about Facebook, have watched a YouTube video before. But basically, with a computer and an internet connection, the world is your oyster. Take Lauren Luke, for example. She rose to stardom because of her natural ability to apply eye makeup. Weird, right? But she also had a really good presentation style. Basically what she did is she filmed herself applying the eye makeup and then uploaded the video onto YouTube. She got something like 2.7 million followers. She's now uploaded over 300 videos. She even got the attention of some newspapers and BBC in the UK and has now gone on to launching her very own makeup range. Then there was an agoraphobic girl, which means that she had a fear of leaving the house. She hadn't left her house in over 2 years, and she became a YouTube sensation in China. All she did was recorded a video of herself, uploaded it onto YouTube, and she received millions of views. Who would have ever thought that someone that had a fear of leaving their house could become a YouTube sensation? Then there was a lady by the name of Poppy Dinsey. She started a blog called wiwt.com. She posted pictures of what she wore each day, and that's why the blog was called What I Wore Today. Now, the blog became famous and has evolved. Now people all over the world share content onto her blog of what they wear each day. Now, she has evolved even further, and she now promotes fashion labels, and she's even been part of London Fashion Week. What I'm sharing with you with these examples is that the world is changing because of the internet. It's like the world is getting smaller. There are possibilities around every corner, and you can find those possibilities and use the readily available tools to promote your passions. Because Facebook is free, YouTube is free, websites take virtually zero cost to set up, and there really isn't any geographical boundaries either, especially when you're talking about information products. Now, speaking of YouTube, if you ever want to learn how to do something, you simply go to YouTube, type in what it is you want to learn, and there will be how-to videos showing you step by step of exactly how to do it and tips to look out for. If for any reason you can't find what you're looking for on YouTube, there'll always be something on Google. Someone would have written something. Even the most weirdest things, someone would have written something about it. So there are so many things that are free. Google works on a completely free business model for its customers, and they make billions of dollars per year. They virtually rule the internet. So the possibilities are endless. What's more is that people are willing to use their credit card online these days because of the proven and trusted security measures. Now, that wasn't like that 5 years ago. If you wanted to use your credit card online, just make sure that the website URL or the website address at the top of the bar says https:// because the S stands for secure. And make sure it's not just http://. In addition to that, we have PayPal. PayPal is the most popular provider these days, and it accepts credit card. So as you can see, it's never been easier to accept payments from people all over the world these days, irrespective if they have a credit card. Now, for any new business or venture, there are going to be new skills that you have to learn. We're going to go and explore this further in the next video.